Hello people! Yeah, I was thinking, we all want a good tzatziki, right? That's the dream. So that's what we're gonna make today. And for that we need garlic, olive oil, some salt, rock salt, and dried mint. In the summer you can also use fresh mint, of course. And a mortar, cucumber, and the yogurt. And we can already start. We start with the yogurt. And here it's like it depends on how much sauce or tzatziki you want to make. So this is like, for example, this yogurt it's I think 500 grams. 500 grams. And I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons of yogurt. I just decided that. And we can start with the cucumber. We cut the cucumber in half. And then we try to make it really like in small bits. Sharp knives recommended. Sharp knives recommended. Okay, this can all go in here. It's all going in the same bowl. You can already mix it together. So this is it. This is that. And in goes our mint. Don't be too stingy on the mint. I really like the taste of it. I'm really, I don't know. I'm kind of greedy with the mint. That's what I was trying to say. More and more. As you can see, it's super easy, but it just, I don't know, it's such a nice thing to have aside some roasted veggies maybe, or other things. So we take the mortar, and the cloves of garlic. I chose to take 3 cloves of garlic. Also depends on how strong you want it to be. Oh yeah, this move helps you to peel the skin off actually easily. So you just crush it. You just crush the garlic with your knife, and here it is. And same thing with this one. Oh, that's a nice sound. That's the sound you want to hear. In goes the second one, and in goes the third. Ah, okay. And now, now some salt. This helps to crush like the garlic cloves, but also it adds taste to it. Like it's important to use actually salt for the tzatziki. And now we just crush it. And the salt, like the rock salt, does half of the work. It's helping, like crushing the garlic. Alrighty. For this, I'm gonna use a teaspoon to get the garlic out. As you can see, it's like a little like smooshed. And at last, we need to put some olive oil on top of it. Et voila! This is some tzatziki. Yeah, you can eat it with anything, basically, with, I don't know, vegan sausages or on kebab or whatever you like. And this also, you don't have to use, you can use plant-based yogurt as well, of course, same thing, and then the rest of the ingredients that I just used. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
He said shave narps.
Sharp knives recommended.